This is part 2 tutorial of the golf course design. In the first video, we created a simple rectangle with some walls and a hole. Now we're going to create some obstacles in this miniature golf course. The obstacles are simple. All you really have to do is choose the surface of your golf course, choose sketch, and you can design any shape that you want to be an obstacle throughout your golf course. I'm going to put a simple rectangle right in the middle. You can use measurements if you want, or you can just kind of eye it. Go to Features, Extrude, and I'm going to make this kind of a little bit of a tall obstacle. Check mark. So now this is their first obstacle. They have to get around this rectangle that's in the middle of the ground. Another option you can do is I'm going to sketch a circle further down here, and instead of extruding it, I'm going to extrude cut the shape. And since my thickness is 1 inch that we did earlier, I'm going to make this depth a 1/4 inch deep. So now there's a hole in my golf course. So when you putt down, you have to go around my block, and then you have to avoid this little ditch. Now to add color and texture, again, it's fairly simple. You choose the design that you want to color. So for example, I'm going to choose the bottom ground of this circle. There's a magic 8 ball up here. You're going to click on that colorful ball. Over here you'll get a new window. Hit the plus sign next to appearances. And then you can choose any of these materials to add in there. I'm going to go to organic. I chose the plus sign. And I'm going to choose water because I want a little water hazard. Here's my options down here. You can choose still water, slight ripple water, or a blue still water. I'm going to click on the blue still water. Choose the check mark, and now I have a blue still water in here. I'm going to do the same thing to my actual green area. I'm going to choose the entire surface. Choose the colorful ball. Over here I'm going to go down to organic, and under organic I'm going to click on miscellaneous. Under miscellaneous I have an option called grass. I'm going to choose grass. The nice thing about the grass feature is if you move your mouse to one of the corners of this square, the further you drag it out, the bigger the grass blades. The closer you bring it in, the smaller the grass blades. So I'm going to bring it in fairly close so it looks almost like a carpet texture, and choose the check mark. So now this looks like a true miniature golf course with a green and then a water hazard. You can go and add color to the walls, you can make this a wood texture, and you can even put your little putting mat here at the beginning. You're going to create 9 different holes with 9 different shapes. The first shape is a simple rectangle. You can do circles, you can do rectangles, diamonds, triangles, or any other creation that you can think of. Make the measurements accurate, and then go back and add color and obstacles throughout your holes. That completes this tutorial.